Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting my channel. Today I would like to invite you guys to participate in a challenge called Trash to Treasure Challenge, and this is my second time hosting it, and the rules are very simple. You just have to find something, whether it's from a garage sale, secondhand store, a side of the road, your mom's basement, it doesn't matter, but you make it your own. There is no budget. It can be $1, it can be free, it can be $50. It doesn't matter, as long as you make it suitable. You make it so it fits your style and your home decor. The challenge is the playlist challenge will be available on Tuesday, August 27th, and that is also due date when the challenge is to be posted at 7 a.m. So I hope that you guys can join me in this fun challenge. Like I said, this is the second time hosting it. I did the one time in spring and had so much fun. I upcycled a leather bag rocking chair, and I think it turned out really nice. Looking forward to seeing what other people will come up with for this time around. And like I said, I hope you guys can join me. Let me know down below if you're thinking about participating. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope I see you all on the 27th. Thanks for watching.